Recurrent neural networks are a powerful type of neural network designed for processing sequential data. In this video, we will introduce recurrent neural network in simple technical terms. So let's get started with understanding what is recurrent neural network. Basically, recurrent neural networks are a type of artificial neural network designed to process sequences of data such as time series data or natural language. They are called recurrent because they have connections between neurons that form loops, allowing information to flow through the network repeatedly. And this allows recurrent neural network to maintain a memory of past input and use that memory to process and predict future events. In technical terms, recurrent neural networks are feed-forward neural networks with recurrent connections. In a feed-forward network, information flows from the input layer to the output layer through the hidden layers with no loops. In a recurrent neural network, the information flows through the network, and at each time step, the output of the current hidden layer is fed back to the input of same layer, forming a loop. Here, the recurrent connections enable the network to process and maintain information over multiple time steps, making them well suited for tasks such as predicting the next word in a sentence, generating music or text, or forecasting time series data. So to summarize this, we can say recurrent neural networks are the neural networks that maintain a memory of past input, enabling them to process and predict future inputs in a sequential context. So let's understand it better using a Python code. So this is a simple Python code using the keras deep learning framework to implement a recurrent neural network. In this example, we are using a simple RNN layer with 32 units, which means that RNN will maintain 32 states. We are also using a single dense layer with a single neuron to output a single value. Here, the mean squared error loss function and the Adam optimizers are used for training the model. And this example is a simple demonstration of how to build a recurrent neural network using keras. In practice, you may want to use more complex RNN layers like LSTM or gated recurrent unit and adjust the architecture, loss function and optimizer to solve specific functions. Thank you.